Hello, everyone, and welcome to a new video of my trading journals. Today we have February 2nd, and well, let's see what happens. There were no big news, but a lot of middle ones, so we have to consider that when doing our trades. And well, let's see what happens today. I mean, a big candle here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 50 points showing on screen. And yeah, that's a big fat candle for you guys just starting. Big grin, just as in the last episode. So I guess people is very positive about the futures. So that invalidates our context and also the structure because the candle is just like an exaggeration. And even though it made another green, it is very probable that we're about to see a big red as well, as in a compensation. There you have it. So structure is invalid. Context is well poor. Also, I will reconsider to like try and trade in this situation with very high volumes, for which I'll consider the colors mostly rather than the volume itself. Structure invalid, discontinuous, big explosion candle to the red side. Context poor again due to discontinuous here and the big, really long wick in a rejection, which is mostly from the structure, so structure invalid again. Structure invalid, color change. Context is poor. We're not seeing any kind of continuation, neither moderate movement. Really big. Okay, that was too much of a fall. I was considering to make an entry, but well, too late now. Let's see about the following candle because right now the context is favorable and the structure well seems pretty well overall. Started red, structure and valley going to fall now, which well, was expected after two really big green candles. But volume is scaring me a lot, so I will have to play with it better. CA changes are just more abrupt and happen more often, but it also gives us the opportunity to win at the start of the candle. So we're going to consider the context variable as long as we see a continuation in the colors at least. So favorable context for now. Structure invalid, color change, discontinuous. Long rejection wick.
Order filled. Target filled.
Oh, well, we got it. I was meant to enter a bit earlier, but well, we did. Candle started at an appropriate level. It was continuous. The volume was high, but we managed to it. That is plus 80 for us. We're not probably going to see a continuation. I'm going to restrain myself from trading the next candle to see any changes that will probably need to happen by now. There you have it, the green candle changing the direction after this continuous move here. We are now entering a phase of mid volume, which is makes the context most favorable. Structure for this candle is invalid.
Target filled.
Oh, well, that's it for the day. It was plus 160. We almost lost it though. But as I say, I will try to adjust myself better to big volumes because I think we had an opportunity here, also here, also here. And well, here I also had it. I took it. It was not as sure. But the context was favorable considering like volume, and this candle was strong. So the execution is also clear. And well, it started as it should. That is plus $160 for the day. Thank you so much for watching and see you next time around. Bye bye.